Hi everyone, this is Gaurav. In this video, we'll take a look at how to import a Java project into Visual Studio Code. What I have done is I have exported a project in a zip file. I have not exported this into a jar file for several reasons. So right now we're just going to see a project that has been zipped. How do you import it into Visual Studio Code? All you have to do is unzip the zipped folder, and you can see it's over here, and then guess what, just drag it into Visual Studio Code. That's it, nothing else to do. So if the project had been exported correctly, it will be imported into Visual Studio Code and Java is ready. Let's take a look at source folder. It's a practice package which contains around 500 plus questions, and let's take a look at a simple question. So the questions are structured as stages, so level topic 1, topic 2, and so on, and within that stage 1, stage 2, and so on, where stage 1 is the basic one and stage 1 is the most challenging one. If I go to, let's say, stage 3, let's see if you can find a nice program. There you go. Return the product of the first n positive integers. If n is 5, return 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 till 5, which is 120. Return 1 if n is less than 1. The corresponding test is in stage 3 test, and you can see test product. So to test function product of stage 3, you have a test named test product, and you can see a run button right next to it. If you run this, it will fail. But this is not a JUnit tutorial, so I'm not going to go into the details of that. Once you fix it, it will run. So because it's a multiplicative problem, our result will be initialized to 1 because 1 is the multiplicative index. Then all you need to do is go from 1 all the way to n. So go through each of the numbers in that range, and each time multiply the current number into result. Finally, you can return the answer that you have calculated. Once you save this program and go to stage 3, you can run your function again, and this time you can see that the first time it failed, but the second time it has passed, and there's a green tick, and that's the green tick we all strive for. So there you go. That's how you import projects, and specifically the practice package for ComputingMQ into Visual Studio Code.